How often do you look in the mirror and wish for a different reflection, a reflection molded by societal standards? A question as profound as it is personal, this is where our journey begins. This journey is about body image, a concept that has become deeply ingrained in our minds and our culture. It's no secret that our perception of our own bodies can greatly impact our self-esteem and mental health. But where does this perception come from? Why do we sometimes look at our reflections and wish to see something different? The answer lies in societal standards, an invisible mold that shapes our understanding of beauty and worth. These standards are not universally accepted, and yet they have a powerful influence on how we perceive ourselves. It's like a mirror, reflecting not just our physical appearance, but also the values, judgments, and expectations of society. Now imagine if we could redefine this mirror. If instead of reflecting society's standards, it would reflect our individuality, our strengths, our beauty in all its unique forms. How would that change our perception of our bodies? How would that impact our self-esteem, our mental health? This is the conversation we want to start today. It's high time to challenge these societal standards, to question the reflection they cast on us. It's time to discuss body image, self-esteem, and the invisible mold of society. But more importantly, it's time to promote body positivity, celebrating our bodies in all their diversity and uniqueness. Because at the end of the day, body image is more than just a reflection. It's a perception that can be changed, a mold that can be broken. It's a journey towards a healthier relationship with our bodies, a journey that starts with understanding, acceptance, and love. So let's embark on this journey together. Let's redefine the mirror of society and start a conversation that can change lives. Because everyone deserves to look in the mirror and love the reflection staring back at them. It's time to redefine the mirror of society and start a journey towards a healthier perception of our bodies. Body image is not just about how you see yourself in the mirror. It's a complex concept, woven together by various threads of perception, emotion, thought, and behavior. It's the mental picture you have of your physical self, accurate or not, and the feelings that arise from that picture. Perception, the first component of body image, is the mental representation of your body. It's how you see your physical self, which may not always align with reality. Next are the affective and cognitive components, the feelings and thoughts evoked by your perception. You might look at yourself and feel dissatisfaction or discomfort. You might think you are too thin or too heavy, regardless of what the scale says. These feelings and thoughts can significantly influence your self-esteem and overall mental health. Finally, the behavioral component refers to the actions you take based on your body image. This could be anything from avoiding social situations because you feel self-conscious about your appearance, to engaging in harmful behaviors like excessive dieting or over-exercising. Body image is not a static concept. It's fluid, changing with every passing moment, influenced by a myriad of social, cultural, and individual factors. It's the comments from friends, the images in media, the cultural beauty standards, and the internal dialogue within you. Remember, your body image is not just a passive reflection in the mirror. It's an active process that shapes how you view yourself and interact with the world. It's more than just your physical appearance. It's your personal relationship with your body. It's important to understand that body image can significantly affect your overall health. A negative body image can lead to mental health issues, such as depression and anxiety. It can also lead to physical health problems due to unhealthy eating behaviors and lifestyle choices. So it's crucial to cultivate a positive body image, one that values function over form, health over size, and self-love over societal standards. Because your body image extends beyond your reflection and can influence your mental, emotional, and physical well-being. Society has a mold, an invisible one that it often expects us to fit into. This mold, my friends, is the societal standard. It's a set of unspoken rules and expectations that influence our perception of ourselves and others, particularly in relation to body image. Where do these societal standards originate? The answer is complex. They're shaped by a myriad of factors: cultural values, historical trends, media portrayals, and even economic conditions. Over time, these factors create a collective perception of what's considered ideal. This ideal, however, can be as elusive as it is pervasive, constantly changing with the tides of time and culture. These standards have a profound impact on how we perceive our bodies. They can subtly influence our self-esteem, compelling us to strive for an ideal that may not align with our personal or physical realities. The glossy magazines, the picture-perfect Instagram feeds, the glamorous movie stars. They all contribute to a societal narrative that can sometimes make us feel less than adequate. It's important to remember that societal standards are not inherently bad. They can provide a sense of belonging, a shared understanding of what's considered acceptable or desirable. However, when these standards become a yardstick against which we measure our self-worth, they can lead to negative body image and lower self-esteem. The invisible mold of societal standards doesn't have to define us. We are not cookie cutters. We are diverse, unique, and beautiful in our own ways. Our worth is not determined by whether we fit into this mold or not. Our worth is intrinsic and irreplaceable. The journey towards body positivity and self-acceptance is not always easy. It requires us to challenge these societal standards, to question their validity, and to redefine what beauty means to us. It's a journey of self-discovery, of learning to love and appreciate our bodies for what they are, not what they're supposed to be. The invisible mold of societal standards can be a heavy burden to bear, but remember, it's okay not to fit into it. You are more than a societal standard. You are unique, you are beautiful, and you are enough just as you are. Ever wondered how your view of your body affects your self-esteem? Let's dive into the deep, interconnected relationship between body image and self-esteem. They're like two sides of the same coin, each influencing and reflecting the other. Imagine them as dance partners, moving in sync, their performance affected by each other's rhythm and pace. Body image refers to how you see yourself when you look in the mirror or when you picture yourself in your mind. It encompasses your beliefs about your own appearance, how you feel about your body, including your height, shape, and weight, and how you sense and control your body as you move. Now, self-esteem is all about how you value and respect yourself as a person. It's the overall opinion you have of yourself and how you feel about your abilities and limitations. When you have a positive body image, you probably recognize and accept your natural body shape, and you feel comfortable and confident in your own body. This comfort and confidence, in turn, boost your self-esteem, allowing you to value yourself beyond your physical attributes, to appreciate your inner worth and capabilities. On the other hand, a negative body image can lead to a vicious cycle of low self-esteem. If you think you don't measure up to societal standards of beauty, you might feel dissatisfied with your body, leading to a decrease in your self-esteem. And low self-esteem can make you more susceptible to further body dissatisfaction, and so the cycle continues. Remember, body image isn't about being skinny, having a six-pack, or achieving an unrealistic ideal body. It's about feeling comfortable in your own skin, respecting your body, and recognizing its capabilities beyond appearance. The interconnection between body image and self-esteem is undeniably strong. One impacts the other, creating a continuous loop of self-perception and self-value. It's crucial to acknowledge this relationship and strive for a healthy balance, because at the end of the day, your perception of your body can be a building block or a stumbling stone for your self-esteem. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're finding value in this content and want to be part of this journey to body positivity with us, don't forget to hit that like button. It helps us to reach more people and spread this important message. Also, subscribing to our channel ensures you stay updated with our latest content, and we'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to drop a comment below. Engage with us. Now, let's delve deeper into our journey to body positivity. Body positivity is about celebrating the uniqueness of each individual. It's a movement, a mindset, and a form of self-love that goes beyond the physical. It's about acknowledging and appreciating the diversity of human bodies and recognizing the beauty that lies within each one of us. Body positivity is not just about feeling good in your skin, but also about understanding that your value is not defined by your appearance. It's about breaking free from the societal molds that dictate what beauty should look like, and instead embracing the beauty that is uniquely you. The importance of body positivity cannot be overstated. It has the power to transform our perception of ourselves, to boost our self-esteem, and to improve our overall mental health. By embracing body positivity, we start to see ourselves as more than just our physical appearance. We start to appreciate our bodies for their strength, their resilience, and their capabilities. Body positivity encourages us to recognize that our bodies are our homes. They house our minds, our hearts, our dreams, and aspirations. They are the vessels that carry us through life. And just like no two homes are alike, no two bodies are alike either. Each one is unique, each one is beautiful, and each one deserves to be celebrated. Embracing body positivity is not an overnight process. It's a journey, and like all journeys, it requires patience, understanding, and self-compassion. It involves unlearning societal standards of beauty, challenging negative self-talk, and fostering a kinder relationship with ourselves. So how can you start embracing body positivity? Start by appreciating your body for what it can do. Celebrate your strengths, your abilities, your talents. Practice self-care and treat your body with kindness. Surround yourself with positive influences, people who uplift you and make you feel good about yourself. And most importantly, remember that you are more than just your physical appearance. Embrace your uniqueness, because you are more than just a reflection in the mirror. Breaking free from negative body image might seem daunting, but it is possible. It's like embarking on a voyage, navigating through choppy waters, but with a clear sky guiding you. The first step is to challenge societal standards. They're not the rule, but merely suggestions, and often they're suggestions that don't fit everyone. It's important to remember that beauty isn't one size fits all. It's diverse, it's unique, and it's personal. Now let's talk about self-love. It's not just about liking what you see in the mirror, it's about acknowledging your worth and embracing your true self. It's about celebrating your strengths and accepting your flaws. It's a practice, a daily commitment to yourself, and it can start with simple things like complimenting yourself, appreciating the functionality of your body, or even taking time to do what you love. However, we understand that sometimes the weight of negative body image can be too heavy to carry alone. Seeking professional help isn't a sign of weakness, but rather a testament to your strength. Therapists and counselors are equipped with tools and techniques that can guide you in your journey to body positivity. Remember, it's okay to ask for support, it's okay to take one step at a time, and it's okay to have bad days. The path to overcoming negative body image isn't always smooth, but it's filled with valuable lessons and personal growth. So be patient with yourself, be kind to your body, and most importantly, be your own cheerleader. Surround yourself with positivity. Let go of comparison and focus on your journey. Your body is your home, and it deserves to be loved and respected. Overcoming negative body image is a journey, one that leads to a healthier, happier you. In your journey to body positivity, we have some recommended health products that can help. These are not quick fixes or magic pills. Rather, they are tools to aid in your overall well-being and self-love journey. First up, we have a range of organic plant-based supplements. These are designed to nourish your body from the inside out, providing essential vitamins and nutrients that you might not be getting from your diet. Next, we suggest a series of mindfulness and meditation apps. These can be tremendously beneficial in helping you tune into your body's needs, reduce stress, and foster a positive self-image. We also recommend a selection of fitness equipment for at-home workouts, promoting physical health and body confidence. Lastly, we have a collection of self-help books that delve deeper into body positivity and self-esteem building. Remember to check them out in the description box below. The journey towards a positive body image and high self-esteem is not a destination, but a continuous journey. As we draw towards the end of this exploration, let's take a moment to reflect on the key points we've discussed. We started by examining the mirror of society, understanding that the reflection we see is often influenced by societal standards, which can be an invisible mold shaping our self-perception. We then delved into the concept of body image, realizing that it's more than just a reflection. It's a complex combination of our thoughts, feelings, and perceptions about our physical appearance. It's intricately linked to our self-esteem, shaping how we view ourselves and our worth. The societal standards that we discussed can often be unrealistic and unattainable, creating an invisible mold that many try to fit into. But remember, these standards do not define you. Your worth is not determined by your appearance or your ability to meet these standards. We explored the interconnection between body image and self-esteem, understanding that a negative body image can lead to low self-esteem and impact our mental health. But we also discovered that it's possible to break free from this negative cycle. We delved into the concept of body positivity, embracing the unique you. Each one of us is unique, with our own strengths and beauty that go beyond physical appearance. Embracing this uniqueness is a key step towards positive body image and high self-esteem. Overcoming negative body image is not an easy journey, but it's definitely possible. It's about breaking free from the societal standards and invisible molds and embracing the unique, beautiful individual that you are. Before we wrap up, don't forget to check out the description box for our recommended health products. They are all about promoting health and wellness, supporting you on your journey to positive body image and high self-esteem. As we conclude, remember that the journey to body positivity and high self-esteem is yours to take at your own pace. Remember, it's not a destination but a journey, and each step you take makes a difference. Before we say goodbye, one last reminder. If you found any of today's content helpful or inspiring, please do us a favor and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you'll never miss out on our future content. We'd also love to hear your thoughts, so please feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and remember, your body is beautiful just the way it is.